Yo, Mazza, this is a letter from me, son. I wanna tell you about me life, but I don't know where it began. I grew up when it was MSN, there wasn't Instagram. Growing up, it was hard for me, I didn't have a nan. I went to jail when I was young, they had me sitting in a can. In a cell. But for you, son, I've got a different plan. I'm gonna teach you how to walk and how to talk and be a man. I seen you moving in your mummy's tummy when she had a scan. And I was so gassed, I had to post you on the gram. And I'm a rapper, but for you, I'm your #1 fan. When you're older, they might try and tell you things to hate your dad. But I promise, I'm just trying to give you things I never had. I make sure you go to school so we don't take the same path. So you can learn about business, English and maths. So you can be your own boss and employ your own staff. I just bought you a cot and a little baby bath. And your mum's put some dinosaur stickers in the gaff. I'm looking at your pictures from the scan, it makes me laugh. Your mum's done your baby room and bought you a giraffe. We haven't even got no cupboard yet, we're living out the bag. She found out that she was pregnant on her birthday, what a gift. The night before, we was drinking all night, we got pissed. I guess dreams come true, cause this is all I ever wished. I grew up in a cell, it's like me life got dismissed. All them years that I missed, feeling like I don't exist. I never felt no real happiness until I felt this. Don't think that I'm a prick if I'm ever too strict. I'm just trying to teach you life's full of plot twists. And I'm from a grimy place full of murders in the mist. But I'll never let you go through the shit I've witnessed. Make sure Santa comes to visit you at Christmas. All you need to be is good and write me a list. I can't wait until I meet your son, Rollie for your wrist.
Hush little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Listen up little man, you're a soldier, daddy's gonna hold you through the night. And when things get tough in the world outside, we'll be right here by your side. You know life can get a little crazy, don't worry baby, we'll get it right.
Dear son, I thought to tell you first, I grew up in the system. Your granddad, your nan, and your uncles, I missed them. But prison breaks bonds and makes the ones you love distant. And now relationships are different. Your mother kept it real for me, she always sent pics in. It wasn't easy, could've broke like a victim. I got shot and had a couple operations. And wisdom, wise men can play a fool. I'm just trying to give you wisdom. Started rapping in a cell, trying to blow like a piston. They always tried to break me down, I always showed resistance. Prison officers used to tell me stop resisting, but I guess what I'm trying to say is always be persistent. Practice makes perfect, so you gotta be consistent. Never done it on my own, your mum was like my assistant. It's really true love, when you can love from a distance. Same way I love you before establishing existence. And there's a lot of shit I wanna tell you but I can't, cause it's hard for me to speak about, cause it breaks me heart. Emotionally damaged cause I'm carrying the scars. I can't wait until you're here, carrying you in my arms. And singing nursery rhymes like Twinkle Little Star. It makes me smile when I think about you playing in the park. Most nights I don't sleep, fighting demons in the dark. If I had a trolley for the pain, then I'd be filling up the cart. Painting pictures like Da Vinci, I'm just working on me art. Most friends come and go, you need to know it from the start. They take kindness for weakness, so you need to play it smart. Be on point like a dart, you only get one chance. It's not a game, you can't restart. Don't be listening to haters with the snidey remarks. Just tell them that your dad went to jail, broke the charts. And there's a sea full of fish, so you need to be a shark. And I'll be a superhero in a cloak like Clark, Iron Man, Tony Stark. If we ever see a flood, then I'll be your Noah's Ark. Just know that I'll be there for you till death do us part. But we will never be apart.
Hush little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Listen up little man, you're a soldier, daddy's gonna hold you through the night. And when things get tough in the world outside, we'll be right here by your side. You know life can get a little crazy, don't worry baby, we'll get it right.
लंदन गया होइसो लंदनी में डांड लंदनी में डांड में बांग्लादेश तक ले किया रोई तो तुम्हारे तो दाम बांग्लादेश तक ले किया रोई तो तुम्हारे तो दाम लंदन गया होइसो लंदनी में বাংলাদেশে থাকলে কি আর হইতো তোমার এত দাম লন্ডন গিয়া হইছো লন্ডনী ম্যাডাম লন্ডন গিয়া হইছো লন্ডনী ম্যাডাম
I'm a veteran in this game, perfected with the aim, corrected when I'm saying I'm from the West End. Roxanne back like a rock band, you have with a hard game to take over your block, man.
আইলাই তুমি বাংলাদেশে আমায় গেলাই ভালোবেসে আইলাই তুমি বাংলাদেশে আমায় গেলাই ভালোবেসে এখন আমার অবশেষে আমার প্রতি হইলাই বাম এখন আমার অবশেষে আমার প্রতি হইলাই বাম লন্ডন গিয়া হইছো লন্ডনী ম্যাডাম লন্ডন গিয়া হইছো লন্ডনী ম্যাডাম মোবাইল ফোনে রাইতে দিনে কইতাম কথা তোমার শোনে মোবাইল ফোনে রাইতে দিনে কইতাম কথা তোমার শোনে থাকলো না কিছু মনে হইতো কত গেঞ্জাম থাকলো না কিছু মনে হইল কত গেঞ্জাম লন্ডন গিয়া হইছো লন্ডনী ম্যাডাম লন্ডন গিয়া হইছো লন্ডনী ম্যাডাম
Stand back like a rock band, you have with a hard game to take over your block, man.
বেবে পাগল জেবলুল বলে লেখা যদি তাকে কপালে বেবে পাগল জেবলুল বলে লেখা যদি তাকে কপালে দেখা হবে লন্ডন গেলে ভুলবো না বন্ধু তোমার নাম দেখা হবে লন্ডন গেলে ভুলবো না বন্ধু তোমার নাম লন্ডন গিয়া হইছো লন্ডনী ম্যাডাম লন্ডন গিয়া হইছো লন্ডনী ম্যাডাম বাংলাদেশে থাকলে কি আর হইতো তোমার এত দাম বাংলাদেশে থাকলে কি আর হইতো